Hello everyone! Today we continue working with the culottes. Have a look at the tacked half. I wanted to understand that the back and the front sides are even, because the culottes are flared. You can see that I cut the details and tacked the side seams. I did it in order to prevent the culottes from sagging. Next, I'll tack the inseams. You can see that all the details are accurate. If you draw everything accurately, you won't have any problems later. When I finish taking the culottes, I'll put them on this lady. Of course, there are some interesting and complicated moments when sewing culottes. Maybe I'll shoot a thorough tutorial or even a course on how to make them. I've recently read an article which said that people who do a lot of handwork are more stress-resistant. Of course, I am stress-resistant. I don't have time for stress. I need to sew new clothes, to decide what to wear and what outfits to create, which fabric to choose and how to decorate it. I'm a very, very busy person. You don't necessarily have to buy very expensive fabrics to make good items. Accurate work is a key factor. Have a look here. I pinned the inseams, and now I can tack them, making an opening for a zipper. I remind you that the back and the front sides are even in these culottes, so it doesn't matter where to make an opening. Of course, you can make long culottes on the basis of a quarter circle skirt pattern too. Just make the pattern longer. Make long or midi culottes. They will look good anyway. Today I'm showing you how to make culottes on the basis of a half circle skirt pattern. When I finish taking, I'll put the culottes on the dummy. The culottes are ready. First, I want to turn them right side out to show them to you. Now I'll put them on the dummy. The culottes are tacked. This is how they look like now. I'll turn the dummy slowly for you to have a close look at the culottes. I think that they look absolutely amazing. Have a look at the side seams. They will prevent culottes from sagging. I strongly recommend making side seams. Have a very close look at the culottes. This is how the legs look like. You don't necessarily have to make such culottes long. You can make them shorter. It's up to you. Change the design however you like. Use your imagination. I remind you that these culottes were made on the basis of a half circle skirt pattern. If you don't make side seams, the culottes will sag very soon. Side seams make details stronger and prevent them from sagging. Items cut in the bias always sag. Be very careful with them. You can make any waist you want. You can make a waistband, facing, elastic waist, and so on. I recommend making an invisible zipper in the back. I'm happy that I showed you so many different types of culottes. You can choose the one you like better. That's all for today. Be different and beautiful. My name is Paukšte Irina. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, share the videos, hit the like button and write comments. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.